Oneplus Buds Z2 is here. How's the sound quality, battery life, gaming test, inline mic and much more in this video. But before that, let's do a quick unboxing. Starting with the features, we have a lot of them. Google Fast Pairing, Bluetooth 5.2 with quick switch. Hold either side of the earbuds for a few seconds and it will switch to the last connected device. One astonishing feature which will take the listening experience to a whole new level is the active noise cancellation. It reduces noise up to 40 decibels, which is crazy. We will discuss more about this feature when we talk about the sound quality. But for now, we have Dolby Atmos coupled with this earphone. Though there is only one driver on either side, still it would help in enhancing the sound experience. IP55 watt rating is also there. Mind you, this is only for the earbuds. For the case, it is IPX4. For controlling the media playback, we have touch controls coupled with wear detection. Basic functions remains the same like tap to play and pause, double tap to next and previous track. But one interesting feature we get here is the ability to change these gestures. For that, download the Hey Melody app, which is from the OnePlus and Oppo's official app. From here, we can customize what these multifunction buttons do and update the firmware as well. Now, speaking of the mic, there are 3 mics on this bad boy, which will help in reducing the noise. So let's see how it performs. So this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the OnePlus Buds Z2. So this is what the person would hear on the other side. And wait a second. And this is the audio quality test of the inline mic with the ceiling fan running in the background. Now for gaming, we get gaming mode, which can give us as low as 94 milliseconds of delay, but let's test it out. Let's talk about the design and build quality. Overall, the device is quite compact and can easily fit inside the palm, so traveling with this is not going to be that hard. It can be easily thrown into the backpack or even in your pocket. Now, talking about the overall build quality of this device, I haven't felt any sort of build quality issues at all. But let me test it out for a few more weeks and then I'll post an updated review, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for that. Moving on to the comfort and fitting, which is one of the most vital aspects of any earphone or headphone. OnePlus Buds Z2 is quite comfortable. I wore them for like 2.5 hours, haven't felt like any sort of pain or discomfort at all. And on the fitting side, these are quite secured as well. I mean, you cannot expect something that has ear hooks, but for casual workouts and day-to-day use, these would work just fine. For the battery life, we get 40 mAh battery on each of these earbuds and 520 mAh on the case, which in total takes about 1.5 hours of charging time, and the earbuds themselves can give 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 35 minutes to be precisely of backup at 100% of volume and ANC turned on. And that is in one go. After that, you have to put them down in the case, which takes about 45 minutes to charge them back. And the case can charge these earbuds up to 4 times. So in total, you will get 10 hours and 28 minutes of playback with ANC turned on and 100% of volume. This little device is also equipped with flash charging. That is, if you set it up for 10 minutes of charge, you can expect about 5 hours of backup with both case and earbuds combined. For earbuds, it will only last 2 hours. Now coming down to the most crucial part of this video, which could make or break OnePlus Buds Z2, or as a matter of fact for any earphone, which is the sound quality itself. So for the driver specification, it has 11mm driver, which in terms of sound quality produces phenomenal sound. The sound is set very nicely, bass, mids and highs. The frequency spectrum is well balanced and spread out. and the bass is also impressive. I mean, I could hear all the low end without getting a feeling of less or more bass. Plus, ANC makes everything sound perfect. It cancels out all the noise around you and you can dive into the music or movie, whatever you're watching. I like to keep it at maximum cancellation, but you can also set it to less cancellation or no cancellation or transparent mode, however you may like. But I paid for the full cancellation, so I'm going to keep it there. Also, talking about the genres, you can listen to plethora of genres like hip-hop, pop, acoustic, rap, metal. Everything sounds great. So overall for sound quality, I want to give it 10 out of 10. I think this is the first one who got 10 out of 10. So you can judge by that. Now, if you ask me if OnePlus Buds Z2 are worth it or not, then I would like to say that if you are looking for a true wireless earphones with tons of features, gaming mode, active noise cancellation, and awesome sound quality, then definitely try these out. And you can do that from the first link in the description, as you might find some sick deals from that link. So make sure you check that out. But that's been it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye-bye.